The Jeddah Tower will be the world's first ever man-made structure that's supposed to be at least 1,000 meters tall. That would make it the first of its kind anywhere in the world. Saudi Arabia is building this huge skyscraper to try and beat the Burj Khalifa, which has been the world's tallest building for more than 10 years. But there was a sudden break in the building that lasted for more than 5 years. Now, there are signs that they might start building again. The big questions are, why did they stop, and why might they start again now? Also, our neighbors in Dubai are thinking about building an even taller structure. Let's find out more. It was scheduled for completion in 2018, and Arabian Business reported in March that it was over 20% complete. The construction of a tower in Jeddah faced delays because the company responsible for building it, Binladin Group, was having financial problems. They originally planned to finish it by a certain time, but then the completion date got pushed back by a year. Binladin Group faced financial issues because of a crane accident in Makkah last year, making it hard for them to pay their workers for several months. While the tower construction didn't completely stop, it slowed down a lot for 5 years. Another major issue was the arrest of Bakr bin Laden in 2017 due to a corruption purge. He owned the Binladin Group, the company in charge of building the tower. This setback happened when the tower was already at 50 stories, causing a pause in the project. Then, the COVID-19 pandemic hit in 2020, making it impossible to restart. But last September, they said they're starting the project again. To overcome these challenges, the Jeddah Economic Company, leading the development, is taking action to restart the project. According to reports from the Middle East Economic Digest, they are actively seeking new bids until the end of the year to find a new contractor who can complete the structure. The Jeddah Economic City is a big project in Saudi Arabia that shows the country's ambition and progress. It's located by the beautiful Red Sea coast and close to the King Abdulaziz International Airport. The goal is to revitalize the historic city of Jeddah, covering a planned area of 5.2 square kilometers and costing around $20 billion USD. The project aims to turn Jeddah into a hub for tourism, business, and spirituality. At the center of this project is the Jeddah Tower, a building that will represent Saudi Arabia's strength in engineering and economics. Although the tower hasn't appeared in the city skyline yet, the construction of Stage 1 is well underway despite challenges, including the arrest of the main financial backer, Prince Al-Walid bin Talal. Recent reports show that the road network and landscaping are almost 90% complete, demonstrating a strong commitment to overcoming obstacles and making the project a reality. Unlike the challenges faced by the construction of the Jeddah Tower, the development of the Jeddah Economic City seems to be going well. After completing necessary services, the city is ready to lease land to different developers and companies for their projects. The first phase of development is expected to create 30,000 jobs, benefiting both Saudi and foreign workers. Once completed, the city will have an impressive skyline with at least 200 mixed-use skyscrapers surrounding the central Jeddah Tower. The city is carefully divided into 3 areas: residential, financial, and a modern version of the Al-Balad, Jeddah's historic quarter. The tower looks sleek and spirals like a young desert plant, making it unique and natural. It gets narrower as it goes up, not just for looks but to handle strong winds at such heights. Besides being tall, at the very top, there's the highest observation deck in the world, giving awesome views. The tower isn't just for show, it has apartments, offices, and a top-notch hotel, making it like a vertical city. Building something this huge took a lot of time and planning, showing how people can dream big and make things happen. To get started, a company from Germany called Bauer had to make a strong support system deep in the ground. This set the stage for the tower's incredible height. Construction began in the early 2010s with the Saudi Bin Laden Group, but they're not part of it anymore, though the planning team is still the same. The tower's smart design is a collaboration between Adrian Smith, the US-based Gordon Gill architect, and Lebanon's Dar Al-Handasa Share and Partners as the engineering consultants. Right now, about a third of the tower is done, showing good progress toward finishing this huge project. Building something so tall came with a bunch of challenges. The team had to figure out how to deal with strong winds and make sure the tower stays stable. The foundation, a giant piece of concrete over 19 feet thick covering a massive area, keeps the tower solid, even during earthquakes. Getting around inside the tower is made easy with advanced elevators. The materials used, like super strong concrete, play a big role in keeping the tower strong and stable. Special engineering techniques for dealing with earthquakes and strong winds make the tower tough. The Jeddah Tower isn't just tall, it's also focused on being eco-friendly. Smart systems, like a high-performance wall and great insulation, use less energy. Gardens inside the tower not only look cool, but also clean the air, making it a healthier place inside. As the Jeddah Tower keeps constructing, it shows progress, new ideas, and how people don't give up on big dreams. Once it's done, it'll be the world's tallest building, proving that humans can create amazing things in architecture that will be remembered for a long time. Imagine Dubai, a city known for having the world's tallest building for 14 years, now facing the possibility of losing that title to the Jeddah Tower. The Burj Khalifa, a symbol of Dubai's growth into a popular tourism and business hub, might no longer be the tallest kid on the block. And to add to the competition, Dubai's plan to build the first kilometer-high structure, the Dubai Creek Tower, is in a tight race with its Saudi rival. But it's not just about tall buildings. It's a sign of big changes in who holds power in the region. Saudi Arabia is showing the world that it's a major player by building the Jeddah economic city. This isn't just about skyscrapers. It's about the Middle East wanting a say in global affairs. These huge buildings tell a story of progress and competition between countries trying to be noticed on the world stage. Dubai's impressive structures and Saudi Arabia's ambitious projects are like a competition, not just in height, but in influence too. The Jeddah Tower is Saudi Arabia's way of saying they are serious about growing their economy and making a mark globally. However, the plan for the Dubai Creek Tower isn't making significant changes due to a small issue. It's important to know that it doesn't qualify as a skyscraper because less than half of its height is livable, so it's considered a supported tower. Even though it might be the tallest structure when finished, the title of the tallest building would likely stay with Saudi Arabia. Similar to the Jeddah Tower, the Dubai Creek Tower stopped construction during the COVID-19 pandemic. Interestingly, as Saudi Arabia resumed the Jeddah Tower's construction, Dubai also revealed plans to rethink their tower, suggesting construction might start again soon. Dubai put this project on hold for years, and now it's restarting, coinciding with the Jeddah Tower's comeback. The initial idea for the Creek Tower, 7 years ago, was always to be taller than the Jeddah Tower. Even in 2017, when the Jeddah Tower construction paused, Dubai knew their project would face delays. The timelines of these two ambitious structures hint at a dynamic competition and a silent race to be the world's tallest. A significant impact of the Jeddah and Dubai Creek Towers globally could be a race to build taller buildings. If one tower finishes, the other, or someone else worldwide, might try to surpass the new height record. This competitive spirit could lead to a continuous cycle of trying to outdo each other, pushing the limits of architecture. Looking ahead, it raises the question of whether the fascination with tall structures will continue. Completing either the Jeddah Tower or the Dubai Creek Tower could start a new era where a 1-kilometer tall building becomes a common achievement. The changing story in skyscraper construction makes us think about a future where the extraordinary becomes ordinary. As we wonder about the fate of the Jeddah Tower, the overall theme is one of anticipation and curiosity, questioning if this time it will truly reach its peak and showcase human ambition and engineering skill. Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.